Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be factory resetting this Kodak digital camera. This is a Pixpro FZ152, but this process is going to work very similar for most of these digital Kodak cameras that were made around the same time. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so to get our Kodak camera back to its factory default settings, we're going to need to do two things. First, we're going to need to delete all of the pictures on both the camera storage as well as the memory card. And then we're going to just need to reset all of the settings to the factory default settings. So let's go ahead and turn the camera on, and this will give us the ability to do some formatting first. So what we're going to do first is obviously hit our little menu button down here on the bottom of the camera. And then we're going to use this little wheel that's around the set button. And that is going to allow us to navigate up and down or left and right using these buttons here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and then we can press the set button, which is actually enter in this case. That's going to bring us into our camera's menu options. And then we can actually, again, scroll down all the way to this little option down at the bottom here. And as you can see, we have a format and we also have a reset button. Those are the two we're going to be using today. First things first, let's click on this format button. And as you can see, this is going to clear all data on the camera, and we want to do that. So I'm going to click yes. That'll take some time if you have a bunch of pictures on here, or a little bit of time if it's just a little bit. The other thing we need to remember to do is obviously open up the bottom here and remove your memory card. That's where it's stored there. That's where all of your pictures should be stored in a larger formats. Make sure you take that out again if you're going to be selling this or getting rid of it. All right, let's hit that power on button again. Okay, so then basically we're gonna go back to the menu here, and then we're gonna go to that reset button that I showed you earlier. Again, we'll scroll down and we'll get to here. I'm gonna push over and we're going to go down to the reset button. As you can see, this resets all the settings to the factory defaults. That's what we wanted to do. I'm gonna click the yes button. And as you can see, it takes just a real quick amount of time. That's basically it. We are now back to our factory settings. All of our pictures have been erased. This is ready to go. Once you take the camera battery out, it should recycle things fully and give you a fresh reboot. Friends, I hope this has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button for us? Let us know we're making helpful videos. And stay tuned, subscribe. We're making a ton more of these digital camera tutorial videos. Those will be coming out really soon. We'll see you again on the next one.